Hello, I'm Brennan Hatton from Equal Reality, and welcome to today's video on how to use lip sync to generate audio files that also have facial animations in them. And we're going to be doing this the quick and easy way for the purposes of doing quick prototypes. We're not going to cover today how to get the final quality and the polished quality that you'd want to actually deliver to clients, but just something that you can do quick and easily to see what it looks like and allow you to do rapid development and prototyping. So what you're going to need your own audio files to work with, and you're also going to need LipSync Pro. So I'm going to be using the demo project that's available to download from the Creators Suite. So if we go to Equal Reality, Demo Project, Audio, I've got a bunch of audio here. We're going to go through the disability bias, the context meeting, and here you can see the audio files.
Look down.
And so these are OGGs, and I believe you can also work with a wave. Basically what we want to do is we want to turn this file into something that the character can use to animate their face. And it's actually quite simple to do this. First, you want to make sure that you have LipSync imported, and to do this you go Windows, Rogo Digital, which is the company that makes LipSync, and LipSync Pro and Open Clip Editor. Now because I've got this audio file selected, it's already been populated here. But what you can do is that you can actually just drag in the audio file you want there if it's not selected. And then basically we just go Auto Sync, and then Default Settings Start Sync. Now that'll create these little tabs here for phonemes, and basically it just detects a rough estimate of different sounds that have been pronounced. These phonemes are basically representations of what the shape of the mouth is when making different noises. And then we go File and Save As. And so I'm just going to navigate back to the demo project, the audio, disability bias. This is the context narration. I'm going to put a new folder in here and we'll call it Lip Sync Data, and we'll just go save. So now there's a new folder here with the lip sync data, and I'm just going to show you what that looks like. So if I was to create an Equal Reality app, and I can actually take this window and I can parent it in the editor here. We don't need these extension windows. So now it's part of the interface. So I'm going to click on the app controller, and I'm just going to quickly create a new scenario, and we'll use Brennan Business because I like using myself. I'm going to go to the meeting scene. So we can actually click on the character here. So we can go preview and we can select Brennan. And so now if I click off the character and if I hit play here,
Look down.
you can see his face moved. So we'll zoom in a bit more there. Try again.
Look down. Look down.
So we see we've got it working. It's now connected. It's animating his face. So now we just need to go back to the meeting scene, and in order to actually make use of this audio file, this is where you can start to drag it in. So say we've got a new event of type dialogue. This is the file now that we drag in, the lip sync data file, to have him speak to someone else or to add the audio to the meeting. And to go into more detail about how to add events and how to add dialogue to meetings as is in a different tutorial. But that's it in terms of turning your audio file, your OGG or your wave, into a piece of audio that has facial animation built into it. Thank you very much, and if you have any questions, head over to the forums at forums.equalreality.com, and I look forward to seeing what you make.